Hi there, welcome to Knowledge Sapiens. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily create a box plot and also known as a box or whisker plot by using Microsoft Excel. I will show you how to create a simple box plot of our dataset. And this is a just imaginary dataset and you can write it your own dataset according to your data. First of all, we select our given data, then go to insert, and here we can select the insert statics chart, then go to whisker plot. And when it is right, then we can easily increase or decrease the size according to using our cursor. If we want to use equally on bottom or top, then we can select from the end of the corner and easily increase or decrease the size. And then we can change the axis. Suppose that if our box is a small one, then we can directly double click on it or directly goes to the axis format, and then we can change the axis minimum value. Suppose that here we will select that 0.15, then our box become more prominent. And when we draw a box plot, then it gives us a summary of the values. Once suppose that box and whisker plot is a summary of the 5 values such as a minimum, first quartile, median and third quartile and maximum. If we want to calculate it manually, then we use the formulas. Suppose that minimum equals sign min, use function, select our given values, press enter. They give us a this minimum whisker values, and then the lower quartile values in bottom of the box plot box. Then it gives us a first quartile. We will calculate is by using quartile exc and then select our given values and comma and select 1. That one is a 25th percentile of the values, and this one is a quartile 1. And next one is a medians, that inside the lines of the box, and we can calculate it. Select use a median function, select our given values and then close the parenthesis and then give us a median values. Next we will calculate the quartile 3, and by using the quartile 3 is by using the formula such as quartile axis and select our given values comma and quartile third. That one is 75th of the quartile, close parenthesis. They give other third quartile values, and here we can also calculate the max of the whisker by using formula such equal sign, by using max formula that give us the highest values of our values. And you can also see that the cross sign inside the box that highlight the means of our values. And if we want to calculate by using formula, then mean equal sign by using the average function that highlight the inside values of our box. Further we move to next step. I will also to discuss about that outliers. Suppose that if we want to if we add more values, that is the lowest one, and then its values is changed. Suppose that we will select our values and insert that, and here we can the points bottom of the whisker is known as the outliers. And if we want to measure the values of the outlier, first of all we will change our selected values such as quartile 1 and third quartile, and we will calculate the values by such as interquartile range, and the formula is that equal sign quartile third quartile minus quartile 1. When insert, then they give us a quartile interquartile range or outer quartile. They give us the values of the outer layers. And if we want to measure the outer layer values, then minimum outer range of the outer layers, then minimum signs equal and q1 minus we will select our interquartile range multiply the factor is a point 1.5 parenthesis closed. And if we want to measure the upper limit of the quartile range, then we will calculate it. Upper quartile range equals sines and quartile third plus interquartile multiply 1.5. They give us the upper limit of the outer layers. And furthermore, if we want to enhance the beauty of our box plot, then we can remove the grid lines, select and press easily direct delete press here, or we can goes to the chart, select our grid lines, goes to the chart elements, and here we can remove the grid lines. And furthermore, if we want to add the access titles, then select directly here. And if we want to remove our x-axis titles, delete it, and then we also delete it accordingly. And we can write the y-axis titles manually, such as a dollars. And we can change the font size and font. We can easily change the font size and font style according to our requirements. Suppose that if we want to change the size, and if we want the our access titles same as our values, then go and drop the access, then select it format printer, then drop where we want to same as one. And if we want to write the manually of the title of our blocks and pixel plots, and here we can directly mention it. And one thing is very important: if we want to change our box plot values, then double click right click on the box or whisker plot, select the format data series, then here we can change the gap width of our box plot. And if we want to increase or decrease, then you can easily observe the changes in the box. And if we want to show the all data points inside our box, then we select the show inner points. And if we want to remove the outer layers, then unselect these values, then automatically outer layers removes from our plots. And furthermore, if we want to remove the mean mark inside our box, then we can also unselect it, then it will also show the in your graphs. And furthermore, if we want to colors, then go to the hairs and solid lines, and we can select the according to any colors according to our requirements. And if we want to change the outer boundaries of our box plot, then go to solid lines, and here we can change any color according to our requirements. And furthermore, if we have more than one values or two groups, then how we can draw a box plot? Then first of all, select our values, go to insert, and next one is our select the box plot. And we can change the all things according as discussed prior. First of all, we deleted the axes, and according to our requirements, we can mention the dollars, and we can also profit. And furthermore, if we want to if we want which box highlight which group, then directly goes to the chart element. Here we can select the legends of our box plot. And if we want our the legends become on right side or bottom, then go to the chart design and add chart elements. Here is a multiple options we can select according to our requirements. Here the legends, we can change the legends on top, bottom, left or right. And now here we want on the right side, and we can easily drag the legends according to our requirements. And we also change the font size of our legends by according to our requirements. I do be really grateful if you can like the videos, and if you find it useful, as it really does help support the channels. And feel free to drop me a question below if you stuck anywhere.